Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. Let us take a look at this JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. Which of the following optical instruments is used to correct myopia? We're given 4 of these instruments, okay? But first, let us understand this concept, myopia. Myopia means short-sightedness. Okay, which is also known as nearsightedness. Okay, so in this particular situation, the focus image doesn't get to the retina. Let us quickly depict that in a diagram. Okay, let's say this is the ball. Okay, so if we have the light rays coming through, okay, the light rays are coming through, so they don't get to the retina. This is the retina. Okay, so the light rays are coming through, and at this instant, this is where the image is formed, so far from the retina. But in the case whereby this is the uncorrected version, okay, so let us draw the corrected version when a lens is used. Okay, so let us quickly do that. All right, so this is it, though it is not perfect. All right, so never mind that. All right, so let us draw the rays. So the rays are coming. Oh, sorry, let me pull the concave lens. This is the concave lens. Okay, so with a concave lens, there's going to be diversion. So let us see the diversion. It is going to converge it's going to converge the image and focus the image on the retina. So this will now be the image on the retina as a result of the concave lens that is applied to it. Okay, so the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.